Dear Mr. Scott, comma, for some time past, I have been unable to write to you as I have desired and as I promised you when you were here, full stop. I hope you will not be annoyed at my apparent neglect, full stop. You should not be, comma, and I am sure you will not be when you are aware of the reason for my silence, full stop. I have no doubt you will remember that I was not well previous to your visit, comma, but I am sorry to tell you I have been under the care of Dr. Brown ever since the day you left, full stop. Indeed, comma, you were not gone an hour when I had to send for the physician, full stop. I do not know what was the cause of my illness, semicolon. I cannot say that I am aware of anything to which it may be due, full stop. I know of nothing to which it can be traced, full stop. At all events, comma, it has been very severe, comma, and comma, for some time, comma, my recovery was considered hopeless, full stop. Of course, comma, I am not yet out of the wood, comma, and I must not boast, comma, but I think I am fairly on the road to complete recovery, full stop. You will be sorry to learn that I am not yet strong enough to leave my room, comma, but you must not suppose that I am in danger, full stop. I trust I shall be able to make an effort to visit you sometime during the coming month, full stop. At any rate, comma, I am hoping so, full stop. I must leave off for the present, comma, but will write again very soon, full stop. Very truly yours, Thomas Macon, stop, close.